Hello and welcome to Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram, where we have over 350 new and pre-owned vehicles in stock ready for immediate delivery. If you're on YouTube, hit that subscribe button real quick to make sure you're assured to see all of our new arrivals as soon as they hit the lot, just like this one here. Give us a like, maybe throw a comment down below if you'd like, and if you want to see over 50 still pictures of this specific unit or a full description, please visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SHERRYCHRYSLER.com. This vehicle here is a 2020 Ram 1500 5.7 liter Hemi motor crew cab limited edition, completely loaded, guys. If you're looking for the nicest truck on the market right now, Ram definitely came up with an awesome one here. On the front, you're going to notice it has the black front bumper, which is an upgraded option with your center front detection monitoring system located with them little circles throughout the front bumper, which is nice when you're parallel parking. Automatic overhead headlighting with a nice chrome grille right there in the center. Like I said, guys, this is the 5.7 liter Hemi motor, so you're going to get great fuel economy while driving down the road with this crew cab. And keep in mind, this is a four-wheel drive push-button vehicle, so you can drive down the road, put on auto, and you can no worries after that. Monitoring system in the rear located all the way around the bumper. Dual exhaust. It also has your trailer tow located right there with your 4 and 7 pin wiring hookup located right there. Backup camera were located right in the tailgate with a factory painted rear bumper. This has many options inside now. With it being a limited, you get all the bells and whistles. Factory 22-inch wheels. As you can see there, they are a two-tone Ram wheel wrapped in a real nice Eagle tire. They didn't spare any expense when it comes to that. Onto the inside. Well, before we get on the inside, you're going to notice when we open the door down here below, it does have a power footstep on the driver and passenger side. Great feature when getting out of these trucks. On the driver's side door, you're going to have your memory seating for two. You can program your seats. You never have to worry about touching them again, up to 2 people. Power locks, power mirrors, or power windows, and power mirrors. This particular vehicle, as you can see on the door, has 2 speakers built into it. There's a total of 19 speakers built into this Ram truck. Harman Kardon speaker system. This thing will blow you out. It is a awesome radio system. Power seat, 4-way power lumbar. This vehicle also has power foot pedals, automatic overhead headlighting, like I said, outside, and many more options. On the steering wheel of this vehicle, you're going to notice that it does have controls on the left and the right side inside of the steering wheel, which is a super nice feature. On the left-hand side of the steering wheel, you're going to have all your controls right here that operate your instrument cluster located right here. Right now, it's set on miles per hour. It can be changed to fuel economy. It can be changed to miles till empty. It can be changed to radio station. It'll also show you what your PSI per tire is at, and a bunch of other features built in right into this cluster right here. It's super nice feature. This vehicle also does have hands-free capability. You can program your phone directly into the radio, and you no longer have to worry about grabbing for your phone while driving down the road. Simply hit the phone button and it'll answer your phone call. You have your conversation directly through your speaker system. On the right hand side of the steering wheel, you have all your cruise control settings, along with adaptive cruise control settings right here. What adaptive cruise control is you literally set your speed and the vehicle will speed up or slow down if there's a car in front of you without you touching the gas or the brake to prevent an accident. But it's great. You simply just put your feet back, set your your speed, and you drive down the road and the car does the rest for you. It is a super cool feature and an awesome safety feature. Push button start, leave your keys in your pocket, nice feature. It also has automatic start on the key too. Automatic 4-wheel drive if you'd like it, or you can lock it in 4 high or 4 low. It is in 2-wheel drive now. It has a turn knob. When you do put it in reverse, like we said, it does have the backup camera built right into the nice 12-inch touchscreen radio. This 12-inch touchscreen radar is a really cool feature. As you can see, it is set on 12 inches where you just got your radio on the display. I can also split that so I can hit media for my radio, and I could also hit, let's say, navigation on the bottom half of the screen. So now I have navigation and I can see my radio. It is a super cool radio. So now that it does have media capability, which we already went over. It does have heated and ventilated front seats. So the front seats with the heated and ventilated, they do come in 3 settings. There's a high, medium, and a low, and then also a heated steering wheel for the driver. It has a bunch of different apps built in there, whether you want to access your travels link, which I believe you have a 5-year subscription to that, which is an awesome feature. It'll show you what current gas prices are around us, like you can see there. It'll also show you the current weather, a radar map of what's going on as far as precipitation, Sirius XM traffic, which is really cool when traveling. You'll know what's ahead of you as far as traffic conditions, backups, etc. It is an awesome feature, and it'll definitely save a lot of time with having that. Under that, you do have your trailer brake control. You can raise and lower this particular vehicle with the airbag system. It's a really cool feature. Tow haul button. You can turn off your front and rear sensors if you'd like for your park assist. And it also has down here this little pad right here. You simply put your cell phone in that compartment, or in this little lip here, and it'll charge your phone. Really cool feature. So it does have a built-in charger for your cell phone. It does have your AC 115 plug right there, which is super nice, with an awesome storage bin underneath, as you can see there. Plenty of room, and it also does shut where you have cup holders and then more storage. Where your armrest is right here has a nice wrapped leather with a limited emblem in it. Has storage on there with a USB plug in the rear, and also more storage underneath. So it's got a bunch of storage built into this particular truck, which is real nice. It does have a rear power sliding door, as you can see there. And it does have probably one of the coolest features besides the 12-inch radio, is this humongous power sunroof. So it goes all the way back to the back seats. What a really cool feature. Also, this vehicle does have garage door capabilities where you can program your garage doors directly into this particular truck, up to 3 garage door openers, so you no longer have to carry your garage door openers around with you. It's another really nice feature. Plenty of a back seat room for your passengers. Plenty of room. I mean, if you're 6 foot tall like I am, I can sit back here. I could go to Florida, no problem. It does have nice plugs right here for your USB. It also has your 112 or 115 AC plug right there, which is another nice feature. Built-in storage underneath these floor mats, as you can see here. So storage for beverages, I would say, but you can use it for other things if you'd like. Really nice feature. These do flip up all the way across to create more storage if need be for that. In the back of this vehicle, on all 3 of these seats, individual seats, it does have child safety hooks, so you can hook car seats into this and be 100% safe with this. It does have rear defrosted glass, which is another really nice feature. And as you can see, there's just 2 more speakers, for example, the 19 speaker radio system that's built into this specific truck. And guys, if you're looking for one of the baddest trucks on the market, I think Ram definitely did their homework on this one. Everything from, as you can see, the power boards right there, to the 5.7 liter Hemi motor, to the 12-inch touchscreen radio, to the humongous sunroof. This vehicle has it all. Adaptive cruise control, which is another amazing feature when it comes to safety while driving down the road. This vehicle has it all. Please hit that subscribe button so you can be assured that you see all of our new arrivals as soon as they hit the dealership. Give us a like, throw a comment down below, and if you want to see over 50 still pictures of this specific truck or any other vehicle we have on our lot and a full description of everything that's on this vehicle, please visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SHERRYCHRYSLER.com.